Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Twinings Cold Infusion tea for water bottles. So here we go. This is Twinings Cold Infuse lemon, orange and ginger tea. Apparently this cold infuse is some kind of new thing where you can put it on the water bottle and drink cold, refreshing tea on the go. Let's see what it has here. No sweeteners, no sugar, all natural ingredients. That's good. Let's go ahead and pop it open. So here we go. Drop, leave, shake, enjoy. Open the cap here. Ooh, really interesting smell. Nice. Look at this. So it comes with this pyramid tea bag. And I have my water bottle here. It's not alcohol, not at all. It's 100% water, trust me. So you need half liters. I think this is about half liters. And you have to put it inside, but will this even fit here? Let's see. Look how small it is. And I have to fit this all the way inside. We have to do some tricks here. Okay, it went inside. And now, here it is just laying around. How long we have to wait? Let's see. It says you have to leave it here for 5 minutes and then you drink it within 8 hours. So yeah, let's give it a nice shake. Like this. And now we wait 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and as you can see, the color has completely changed. The tea is ready. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Twinings Cold Infuse tastes any good. So here we have the tea ready to sample. Let's give it a one more mix. Mix it really well. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. The color is much lighter than the usual tea color. But how is the taste? The orange, it's like smelling unpeeled orange. The real orange smell. Very nice. But how does it taste? Let's see. Wow. The orange flavor is really strong here, and also ginger. Orange and ginger, classic combination, and really healthy for your body as well. Let's see what kind of tea they have here. Is it just the fruits, or do they also have some tea here as well? It says lemon, orange, and ginger. And let's see the ingredients now. Roseberry. Then they have apple pieces. Then they have like orange peel and orange flavor. So it's not all natural if it has orange flavor. Hibiscus, that's good. Yeah, so actually it's not even a tea. It's called Infuse. I thought this Twinings is a tea brand, but there is no like green tea and no black tea. But I don't even know what tea is. What is the definition of tea? If you only put orange, ginger and lemon, does it count as a tea? I guess so. If there's any smartass in the comments, please tell us what is the definition of the tea. But yeah, it doesn't matter because it still tastes pretty good. The taste is getting stronger the more you go to the bottom, even though we mix it really well. I guess there's some heavy particles that go in the bottom, even if you shake it or not. The good thing about this is that you can just put it on your water bottle or the alcohol bottle like I have it here and take it on the go and drink it when you go like work, you go gym, and you get refreshing tea. And especially in summer when it's hot outside, you don't wanna drink hot tea, but this way you can still enjoy the tea. And also bonus points for not adding any sugar. So if you like sugar, you should add it yourself separately. But for us people who don't like it, it's perfect the way it is. You know, it would be funny to take this to public. You know, this is Finnish alcohol brand, very famous. And just drink this tea from here and see how people react. Maybe there's like police coming and, hey, what are you drinking? Just tea, man. Don't worry about it, bro. It's not the best tea flavor I ever tasted, but I like how it has a lot of orange. The orange is very present here. So much orange flavor. But yeah, interesting experience. Cold Infuse. First time trying it. I think I will give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. The flavor could have been better, and here it says they have like aromas. It's not all natural ingredients, even though they said here are natural ingredients. I forgot it has this dot after all natural, so they have explanation here like disclaimer. Let's see what it says here. I get it, like they put this dot here, and in the ingredients list they have dot behind every natural ingredient. So for example, it has dot after orange peel and dot after hibiscus, but then it doesn't have the dot after ginger aroma or lemon aroma or orange aroma. So you see, this is how the companies scam people. Like they have this dot here. This is natural. This is natural. Then this is not natural. So maybe I will drop the points down to 8 out of 10. Okay, 8 out of 10. Because they scammed people. Okay, but I don't know. Everybody does this, so let's put it back to 8.5 out of 10. Okay, 8.5 out of 10. But yeah, leave a comment below if you taste this before and you like it or not. And as always, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next exciting, very epic food review. Thanks for watching.